Look at this. Oh my God. Made the bush that we got fall and it fell against my fucking truck. Y'all, it's snowing. I wonder if they're gonna have that snowball fight downtown. I'm gonna walk in the street because the way the cars come. Yeah, meet me down your street, y'all. The dude still stuck because he shouldn't have went deeper. Oh, there you go, there you go. He turning, he need to just keep turning. I wonder if he wants... This snow ain't no joke for real. Like, people ain't believe it was gonna snow. Talking about it was too hot yesterday, but I knew because it was so hot yesterday that it was definitely gonna be something today. But as you can see, I went to the store, about to make me a little fried chicken flatbread junk. I guess it's a sandwich, but whatever. And I'm gonna let y'all see it, alright? And then that'll probably be the end of this vlog. I'm still gonna go outside in the snow some more, but just so happened I was on the phone with my sisters when I first went to the store, so I couldn't really talk to y'all and interact with y'all as much, but I still wanted to take y'all on a trip to the store. Y'all got to see my well, y'all got to see me go to the store. So, and walk in the snow. So I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna let y'all see the final product. And yeah. Alright, y'all. This is the finished product. We got cheese, bacon, lettuce, and ranch on the junk. Homemade. And yeah. That's the end of this little morning to the store snow vlog, whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm probably gonna do a few more vlogs today. Damn, my cats is tripping, but I almost forgot I am teleworking today, by the way. But yeah, I'm teleworking too. Ain't nothing really going on, and the stuff that is going on I can't fix. So like I said, I'm about to just finish this. Probably finish one half of this junk, and yeah, edit it up, put it out, and do some other stuff, because I do need to shovel my driveway.